So you may have come across the stage by stage 360 where the mace head is up, we twist, twist, pull over and return. Now, we can start to smooth that action out by doing the Dagger 360. However, rather than being very blocky of move, stop, move, stop, move, stop, move, stop, we're going to try and piece it together and flow through the movement. To make this easier on concentration rather than just being a muscular exercise, we want to take what some people call the Dagger position, so an inverted mace grip. That's a downward thumb grip. We're going to perform the same sort of stages. We're going to twist, lift up into the pendulum, twist the body again and pull out. However, as you'll notice there, it's not as blocky. We're going to rotate round, lift up at the same time, drop behind, twist the body and pull. Because we aren't fighting the weight this time, we can really concentrate on the movement and the direction. So we twist, lift and drop and pull, twist, lift, drop and pull. Give that one a go. That's going to help teach you the movement pattern of the 360.